AI has completely changed the publishing world. Overnight, thousands of books are hitting Amazon every single day, many of them written by AI. And it sparked the question everyone's asking: will AI replace human authors? Or will human creativity always win? In this video, I'll break down the truth, the strengths and weaknesses of both sides, and reveal who I believe will actually win the publishing game in 2026 and beyond. Sound good? Let's dive in. Part 1. The power of AI. Let's start with the obvious. AI is powerful. AI can generate 30,000 words in the fraction of the time that it takes a human to do. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't have writer's block. It can outline, draft, and edit faster than most humans ever could. This is why so many new authors are jumping in. They see the speed, efficiency, and low barrier of entry. For someone who's never written a book before, AI feels like a magic button. But here's the problem. Speed does not equal success. Most of the AI written books flooding Amazon right now are low quality, repetitive, and just downright soulless. Readers spot this instantly and they don't come back for more. Which brings me to part 2, the human advantage. Now, let's talk about the human side. Humans bring something AI simply cannot: lived experiences, personal stories, human nuances, and originality. When you read a book that resonates, it's not because of perfect grammar. It's because of the way it connects with you on a deeper level. Humans are also better at spotting gaps in the market. We know what questions people are actually asking. We know the frustrations, the desires, and the emotions behind the search. That's something AI doesn't understand, unless you, the human, guide it. So finally, part 3, the real battle. So who wins? Honestly, it's not AI versus humans. The real winners are the authors who learn to combine both. Think about it this way. AI is like a high-powered engine, but without a driver, it crashes. Humans provide the direction, the voice, the unique spark that makes that book stand out. The losers are the ones who rely on AI blindly. They flood AI with junk and wonder why it doesn't sell. The winners are the ones who use AI as an assistant to speed up the process, but still inject their own voice, their own angle, and their own personal stories. That is what makes readers connect. And connection is what sells books. AI will not replace human authors, but humans who know how to use AI will definitely replace humans who don't. This is the future of publishing. Not man versus machine, but man with machine. If you want to learn how to do this the right way, the exact prompts, editing steps, and publishing strategies I use, I've put it all inside my course. The link is below. Don't be an author who gets replaced. Be the author who uses AI as leverage to build faster, better, and smarter. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.